Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices rose to hit a lifetime high, sparked by safe haven demand due to US tariff threats, while the focus was also on a crucial inflation report for clues on the Federal Reserve's policy path. The S&P 500 was muted as losses in tech heavyweights Microsoft and Nvidia countered earnings-led gains from Meta and Tesla, while investors passed a slew of corporate earnings a day after the US central bank held interest rates steady. Norway's sovereign wealth fund has accumulated a sizable exposure to Bitcoin through indirect investments in a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrency-friendly companies. Indirect exposure to the digital asset grew to 3,821 BTC, or $356 million at the end of 2024, reflecting a yearly gain of 153%.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is in overbought territory. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market outlook.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.